Alright, now we're going to do something called factoring by grouping. And this is how it works. Let's say if you have AR cubed minus 64R squared, alright, plus R minus 8. Sorry. Okay, so AR cubed minus 64R plus R minus 8. Now what you could do is you can group things together, and then you can try to factor stuff out from it. So for example, let's take R cubed and R squared. Okay, if you just take just this right here and then this separately. Okay, so R cubed and R squared, we can factor out an R squared, right? What else can we factor out? We can factor out an 8, because 8 and 64, well, 64 goes into 8, right? Or 8 goes into 64. 2 times, right? So, if we factor out an 8 and an R squared, we get R minus 8, right? Because we get 8 times 8 is 64. And then this is plus R minus 8. Okay? Alright. Now you'll notice that we have two factors of R minus 8. So in this case, what you can do is you can actually factor these R minus 8 out from this whole expression. So you get 8R squared plus 1 times, right, R minus 8. Because if we can factor this R minus 8, and then you get AR squared plus 1. Because 1 times R minus 8 is R minus 8. Right? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 12p cubed minus 21p squared plus 28p minus 49. Okay, let's try putting these two together like this, like so. Alright, so let's see what we can factor out here. Let's start with the coefficients. So 12 and 21. Let's see what factors we can pull out from that. How about 12? No, it doesn't. It's another factor of 12. 3? Well, 21 also goes in 3. Is there another one maybe? Not really. So we can factor out a 3 here. And then we can also factor out a p squared. Okay, so if you factor out a 3, 12 becomes 4, because 3 times 4 is 12. So we get 4p, right? Minus 3 minus 21. That gives 21 divided by 3 is 7. And then p squared already factored out, right? Okay, plus, now let's take this one right here. Let's see, what are the common factors of 28 and 49 that can go together? Well, if you try to guess, you want to get something that says 4p minus 7, because we're trying to factoring by grouping, right? So we want to get 4p minus 7. Now to make a 28 into 4p, we would have to divide 28 from 7, because 28 divided by 7 is 4. So let's see if 7 is common for both factors. So we have 28, so 7 is, because 7 times 4 is 28. 49 is 7 squared, so it looks like it's going to work. So let's take out a 7. We can't really take anything else, so we get 4p, right, minus 7. Now, because we have both like factors here, we can factor this out by grouping. So we get 3p squared plus 7 times that by 4p minus 7. Because when we factor this out, 4p minus 7, what's left over is 3p plus 7, which is here.